Today, our video is regarding a traditional herb supplement, milk thistle, which has shown enormous benefits in liver diseases, diabetes, cholesterol, milk production, indigestion, acne, and many more, which we will discuss in the video, along with its side effects. But before start of video, do like and subscribe the channel. Milk thistle contains silymarin as the primary active ingredient of the herb. Let's see the amazing benefits of this herb. Milk thistle protects your liver, thereby preventing the damage. Studies have shown improvements in liver function in people with liver diseases who have taken a milk thistle supplement as a complementary therapy regularly, including liver damage due to alcoholic liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and even liver cancer. Milk thistle helps to control diabetes. Medical research suggests that milk thistle, combined with traditional treatment, can control diabetes. Studies have shown that milk thistle decreased blood sugar and also improved insulin resistance, a key part of type 2 diabetes. Provide heart benefits by lowering cholesterol levels. By lowering LDL, which is bad cholesterol, milk thistle may lower the chance of developing heart disease. Milk thistle can also be taken with cholesterol-lowering medications like statins. Milk thistle can boost breast milk production. One reported effect of milk thistle is that it can boost breast milk production in lactating mothers. It's thought to work by increasing the milk-producing hormone, prolactin. It has also role in acne. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, milk thistle may be a useful supplement for people with acne. It's been suggested that the antioxidant effects of milk thistle may have some anti-cancer effects, which could be helpful for people receiving cancer treatment. Milk thistle also improve the symptoms of indigestion. You can get easily milk thistle supplement from your nearby pharmacies. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for right dose. Some of the very less common side effects which you may experience are nausea, diarrhea, itching, and bloating. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below.